The Supreme Court in the U.S. has given the green light for President Donald Trump's administration to block gender marker changes on American passports. Meaning, for now, your passport will list the sex assigned at birth, not the gender you identify with. This landmark ruling came through an unsigned order. While delivering its verdict, the court's conservative majority said, "Displaying passport holders' sex at birth is simply stating a historical fact." The apex court argues this is not discrimination, simply record-keeping. But the court's 3 liberal justices disagreed powerfully. They warned that forcing transgender and non-binary people to carry documents that do not reflect who they are puts them at risk. The dissent said the ruling exposes people to danger, especially when traveling. This ruling reverses policies expanded under President Joe Biden, who allowed Americans to choose male, female, or X on passports without medical documentation. But upon President Trump's return to power in January 2025, he reinstated the definition of sex as strictly biological and tied to birth certificates. The State Department, meanwhile, says the passport is a national identity document and must reflect objective facts, not personal declarations. The Trump administration argues this prevents fraud and ensures global clarity at foreign borders. But for transgender Americans, the consequences are real. Hunter Schafer, a well-known transgender actor, revealed earlier this year that her new U.S. passport was issued with a male marker, despite years of official recognition as female on other documents. Civil liberties groups say this ruling doesn't simply affect paperwork. They say it affects freedom of movement, the basic ability to exist safely in public spaces. The ongoing lawsuit argues that without an accurate ID, transgender travelers face humiliation, targeting, or even violence. The case now moves through lower courts, but until a final outcome, the Trump administration's policy stands. We will continue to track this story, but do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more such videos, keep watching Mint.
In a world where business never stops, Mint keeps you ahead, any screen, anytime, from studios to the ground.
Mint is doing brilliantly well. It's a well-read page, I would think.
Mint breaks down business, leadership, and lifestyle, boldly, visually, and smartly. From boardrooms to markets, from personal wealth to industry trends, we bring you the insights that matter. What fuels India's biggest CEOs? Ride along and find out. Want to invest like the pros? Learn from India's top market experts. Your money, your future. We make finance simple. Step inside breathtaking homes and the creative minds behind them. India's real estate scene decoded. No jargon, no fluff. Some chase success, others create it. Meet the ones who made the impossible possible. We don't just talk business, we show it. And the world's watching.